Does he really want to fight with you, or is he trying to stay away from me and I'm making him feel very exposed? Anyone prepared to take over the
Okay, I'll hold it
the
here.
filming?
Just hold it.
You know, you just hold it and you can see this little joystick here. You
Yeah.
can.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Oops. Hey, dude. Very chilled snake, eh?
Hmm?
Very chilled out.
But as a cat gave him a few nips.
I think so.
No, I don't think so. The cat wouldn't. This is a huge bugger, bro. Yo!
Yeah. There's a big snake. What are you? A girl or a boy?
How do you know that now?
I can't tell.